Hi, it's Jill, and I'm here again with Steve, and I'm with Norma at Thompson Junior High. And I am here just to talk through the lesson really quickly. The kids are about to come in about 10-15 minutes. And I just am doing that planning that you do right before you teach a lesson. We planned it already in the previous video, and now I'm just kind of getting myself set for what I'm going to do next with the kids. My goal today, and I took this right out of StudySync, we showed that in the lesson plan previously, and these students are all level 3, and there are 26 kids. So we'll be working with a smaller class, which is good, so you'll be able to see some interaction. And my goal today is to teach them the coordinating conjunctions fanboys, but I'm not teaching them the grammar. I'm not really concerned that they understand independent clause, dependent clause, complex, compound sentence. That would be taught in a grammar lesson, and this 8th period of the day for them is ELD. So my focus today is, do they know how to use a compound, how to build a compound sentence, and how to use a coordinating conjunction to take two ideas and put them together into one sentence. So I'm focusing on syntax rather than grammar. So I'm going to show them the pattern of how that works, when to put in a comma, when not to put in a comma, simply so that it can be understood by the listener or by the reader. So in junior high, especially for kids who are 3, we're really focusing on writing. Because their dominant domain in their second language is writing, and so I want to focus on making sure that they have a fluency in written expression as well as focusing on speaking. I know that they're getting a very heavy focus on reading and grammar in their ELA classroom earlier in the day. So I'm going to use expansion today. We talk about expansion, which is building sentences or building language. There's also deconstruction, which is looking at a sentence and taking it apart. If these students were a 2 or a 1 on a scale of 1 to 5, I would do deconstruction because it would be too difficult for them to build sentences. I would want them to really look at sentences that were already correct and break them down for correctness. So today we're going to expand sentences, and we're going to use the coordinating conjunctions. Those are for and nor, but, or, yet, so, and those are the fanboys, and that's how I'm going to teach it to the kids.